digit numbers. Do you all remember the smallest two digit and the largest two digit number? Yes. So tell me, what is the smallest two digit number? What is the smallest two digit number? Yes, it is 10. Okay. Then what is the greatest two digit number? Yes, 99. So the greatest two digit number is 99. Then what is the smallest three digit number? What is the smallest three digit number? Yes, it is 100. What is the greatest three digit number? 999. The greatest three digit number is 999. Then children, what do you think will be the smallest four digit number? Yes, it will be 1000. The smallest four digit number will be 1000. Good. Then what will be the greatest four digit number? Yes, the greatest four digit number is 9999. 9999. So children, can you see here? Now the two digit number, smallest two digit number 10. The greatest two digit number 99. The smallest three digit number 100. The greatest three digit number 999. The smallest four digit number 1000. And the greatest four digit number 9999. So children, today's topic will discuss about the four digit number. Okay. So the when we go to the four digit numbers, how do you read a four digit number? Okay. Before that, do you all know the place values? How do you read the three digit number? Tell me the place value. How do you write? Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds. Right? So this is the place value which we write for a three digit number. Okay. Then when we go for the four digit number, then what do you think you will have here after the hundreds? We have thousands. Okay. So the place value that we have for the four digit number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. So let us take an example. Now if I have a number, now how do you read this number? Now look here, 4 is there in the thousands place, 2 is there in your hundreds place, 3 is there in your tens place, and 5 is there in the ones place. Okay, so how do we read this number? 4235. Okay, let me make more clear for this. Now see, I write the number like this. See now. Now see, 4 is there, the thousands place, 2 is there, hundreds place, 3 is present in the tens place, and 5 is present in the ones place. Okay, so we read the number as 4235. Right? Now let us see one more example. Now look here. Now where is 7 present? 7 present in the thousands place. 4 is present in the hundreds place. 5 is present in the hundreds place. 4 is present in the tens place. And 9 is there in the ones place. Okay. How do you read this now? 7549. Okay. Now let us have one more example. Now look here. Now how do you read this number? 4126. Right? 4126. Now let us have one more example. How do you read this number? 5734. Okay, 5734. 734. So, children, here we have learnt about how do we read a 4-digit number. Okay. Now, if we have a 0, then how do you think you read the number? Now, if I have 4, 0, 2, 5. Now, where is 0 present? 0 is present in the hundreds place. So, do we have a number in hundred place? No. So, where is 4 present? 4 is present in the thousands place. So, we read this as 4000. There is no hundreds place. So, we read 4025. Right? We read it as 4025. Now, if we have a 0 in the tens place, then if we have 0 in the tens place, 4 is there in the thousands place, 3 is there in the hundreds place. So, we read this number as 4307. Okay, 4307. Now, if we have zeros in both the places, hundreds and tens place, if I have a number 7 and 9. So, how do you read this number? We have 7 in the thousands place, 9 in the ones place. We don't have any number here in the hundreds and tens place. So, we read this number as 7009. Okay, 7009. So, if I have a 0 here in the ones place also, then how do you read this number? 5 is there. Only we have a single number in the thousands place. We don't have any other numbers here in any other place value. So, we say that it is 5000. So, we say it is 5000. But if we have 0 in the thousands place, then if I have a 0 here and I have a number here, then how do you read this? There is no thousands place at all. We have 0 in the thousands place. So, there is no number in the thousands place. It will become a 3-digit number. Okay, then you say it as 423. Now, this will become your 3-digit number, not 4-digit number. Okay, children, I hope you understood this. So, please do write some examples. Take few digits and write the examples and try to read the number and write the number. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.
Similarly, the 4-digit number has 3 parts. The first part is the digit in the thousands place. The second is the digit in the hundred place. And the third is the tens and ones digit together. So from here, we have 1 in the thousands place. So, this is 1000. 5 as the hundreds digit. So, 500. And 2, 8 as the tens and ones digit. So, this is 28. So, this 4-digit number has the number name 1528. Don't think it's tough. It's actually very easy when you break it into 3 parts. So, we'll do some more examples. Now, what about the number name of this number? So, first, I look at the thousands digit, which is 2. So, 2000. The second part is 9 in the hundreds place. So, 900. And the third part is 82. So, 2982 is the number name of this number. Now, what about the number name of this number 3004. We have 3 is in the thousands place. So the first part will be 3000. What do we have in hundreds digit? 0. So should we write 0 No, we never write 0 hundreds. So if we have 0 in some place, we don't write it. So the second part will not have anything. What about the third part? 0, 4. 0, 4 means only 4. So this will be 3004. So the number name will be 3004. Now what about this number? 4010. So there is a 4 in the thousands place. So I have 4000. And what about the hundreds place? 0 hundreds. So we don't write anything. What about the third part? 10. 10 means 10. So this will be 4010. So the number name will be 4010. Now can you tell me the number name of this one? 5555. Well, thousands digit is 5. So this is 5000. Hundreds digit is 5 again. So this is 500. Tens and ones digit are 55 means 55. So the number name is 5555. Now what is the number name of this number? 8000. So there is 8 in the thousands place. So I have 8000. And what about the hundred place? 0 hundreds. So we don't write anything. Tens and ones digit are both also 0. So this is also 0. So once again we don't write anything. So this number is simply 8000. Now we'll take one more example. Now can you tell me the number name of this number? 9999. Look at here. 9 is in the thousands place. So this is 9000. Hundreds digit is 9 again. So this is 900. Tens and ones digits are 99 means 99. So this number is 9999. So the number name of this number is 9999. And this is also the greatest 4-digit number. So kids, this is how you can write number name of any 4-digit number. So do write some 4-digit number and write their number names. Thank you.